This is the Skeletal Lexus. Look at this. And this steering wheel is kind of like removable. I'm gonna take a video outside later. Okay. This is fun, man. Oh, look at this. Look at the side. Are you like trying to assemble this one?
Not this one. One of my buddies helped me take it all out for weight reduction because I'm building this one for a track vehicle.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow.
But I have another Lexus that I'm building from the ground up. It blew piston rings, so I pulled the motor out on it, and I'm doing a full rebuild on that one.
Yeah. Wow. Surprised me. Look at this. Even that one.
Yeah.
Even the roof are like.
Yeah, and it is a 92, guys.
But this is like the original Lexus, the engine?
Yes, the one you see.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
That has the V8 in it.
Oh, okay. Oh, this one? Okay.
Yeah, and I had some buddies help weld it up, so it's...
Oh, wow. How fast can it go?
Fastest that I've taken it is 120.
Oh, okay.
But the speedometer goes to 160.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Oh, the other guy is showing off. There you go. Oh, love it.
Yeah.
Sorry, man. I feel like a kid.
I love it.
It's like in a, you know, in a carnival, you know.
Yes. Yes. And I also wired in this head unit, and I wired in a 10-inch subwoofer right behind you guys, and an amplifier and a 12-inch competition.
How many watts?
600.
Sorry. Sorry, Pastor. So, you say that again? How many speakers?
I wired in 2, but there's 5 altogether.
Oh wow, it's 600 watts?
Yes.
But it's not working now?
It's not connected right now.
It's not connected right now yet? Oh,
yeah,
wow.
yeah, I can connect it for you guys.
No. Maybe when we come back,
Okay.
you can just try it. This is the Skeletal Lexus 1992 model, right?
Yes, 1992 SC400.
Oh wow, okay, amazing.
Yes.
This is exciting. This is America. Love it. The sides.
That's what it's all about.
Yeah. Thank you, Isaac, for having us here.
Yes, you're very welcome.
Yeah, I was just curious. I got curious when you were holding the steering wheel. It's like, oh no, what's this guy doing?
Yeah.
She's like,
I get a lot of questions when I walk around with the steering wheel.
I was like, I'm waiting for the zoom. Oh, that's the sound?
Yes.
Wow.
And it is about a little bit more than half right now. But that's the police radar detector.
Nice. Oh, okay.
So, yeah, it's somewhat tricked out.
Okay, wow, nice. Oh, the sound, look at it.
So it must just be right down the road then.
This is manual, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
It's good that people can still drive manual.
Yes.
A lot of young people, they don't know how to drive manual, honestly speaking.
Yes, no, a lot of people don't know how to drive manual or get taught how to drive manual anymore, and it's a shame. But personally prefer it over automatic. I have plans to swap this manual in the future. But
okay.
Yes, but until then, she just stays automatic.
Oh, it's automatic. Okay. This is the Skeletal Lexus. See the sound, the speed. Wow. This is the storage. You're familiar with this place, right? Actually, all you people, you grew up here, including what's that guy? Jackie, I think. Yeah. Except for Jeff.
Oh, yeah.
So this is the Lexus ride. Look at it. It's like assembled by Isaac. Did you? Can you say hi to me?
Hello.
That's Isaac. Yeah, the owner of this one. Nice. See, I just put it until here. Thank you, Isaac. He's showing me the hood. Look at this, 1992 model. Oh wow, oh, it's so clean. Oh, love it. This is. Oh, it's cleaner than the inside.
Yes.
It's so clean. Wow. This is the engine, Lexus. I call it the Skeletal Lexus. Wow. Thank you, man.
Yes, you're welcome. You're welcome.
Here we are again with Isaac on his Lexus 1992. Good ride. I like the noise, you know, I mean, the loud thing. Cool guy, you must have this one.
Yes.
And then you look here.
Oh yeah.
What's the stop after the stop? Where I find it.
Yes. While we are here, I can show you quick burnout too.
Oh, that. Oh. Yes. That's cool. What's this? F1.
Yes. Yes.
F1 noise. Whatever you call it.
Yeah, they actually use some of these motors in F1 as well.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, sometimes they do.
Oh, wow. Okay. Interesting. That's where the new stuff is supposed to be at the end of this one. No, this one.
Like around here?
It's good for you, really. You're a cool guy, young chap. See, nice thing.
Yeah.
Oh wow! And where's the steering wheel? Can you remove that for me?
Absolutely.
See? Oh wow! Got it. Nice. See this 1992 is, I call it the Skeletal. What's that? Lexus. Look at the lights. This is cool for young people. The owner is Isaac. Wow, it's so cool to allow me to take a video and a ride of his car. Good job. He assembled the interior, I think. Yeah, that's what he said.